I want chocolate pastry cake. Egg with egg, without egg? Without egg.
Hi all, I am Ajoe Joseph. I am a Google developer expert in cloud AI. So I had come down to Alliance University for a Build with AI session today. I loved the atmosphere here. The students were greatly interactive, loved the energy, and I was able to convey whatever I had to convey. I got the positive feedback from them. I'm happy. And we did explore a lot of concepts like agent development kit and agentic cloud, and we did explore how moving away from writing code to orchestrating different systems. And the importance of having a well-defined prompt. So all of these were covered in today's session. I would definitely love to come back again for further sessions if they invite me.